Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of our session. Today we'll dive deep into the heart of any successful business, understanding its audience. Just like a compass helps navigate the direction, today's insights will help guide your strategies toward your core audience. Why know your audience? It's not just about building a business, it's about laying a solid foundation. Knowing your audience is more than just a competitive advantage, it's the bedrock of any successful business strategy. This knowledge helps in streamlining our operations, making everything sharper and more effective. Who are they? Have you ever wondered who exactly is my ideal customer? Today we'll dive into the layers of our audience. We'll pinpoint those likely to engage with our products and understand their unique interests, habits, and desires. It's all about ensuring that our marketing efforts hit the right mark. Customer personas. Imagine if we could predict what our customer needs were before they even tell us. With customer personas, we're crafting semi-fictional profiles. They're based on real data and insights, helping us anticipate their requirements and design effective marketing strategies. Target audience perks. Understanding our target audience offers numerous benefits. It allows us to move from a generic marketing approach to a more specialized one. This ensures genuine interactions with our audience, fostering deeper, more meaningful connections. Persona task. Now, how do we turn all this theory into practical strategy? By meticulously crafting our personas. These help us envision the lives of our customers, identify our place in it, and align our business goals with their desires. Targeting techniques. Effective targeting goes far beyond more demographics. We dive deep into psychographics, understanding their values, aspirations, and motivations. This deeper insight allows us to forecast future behaviors, refining our strategies even further. Use data wisely. Data isn't just numbers and figures, it tells a story of our customers. Harnessing this data helps to draw invaluable insights, shape our products better, and tailor our interactions to fit the audience's expectations. Segment for success. One size doesn't fit all. That's why we segment our audience, specializing our strategies to cater to each group's unique needs. This not only makes our messages more relevant, but also heightens their effectiveness. Dive into personas. It's time for a deep dive. Armed with insights and data, we'll mold detailed customer personas. We'll explore their preferences, understand their concerns, and anticipate their aspirations. This understanding is pivotal in guiding our product and marketing strategies. Up next, as we wrap up today's insights, remember we're gearing up for day 4. Tomorrow, amidst the vast sea of options, we'll learn how to carve out our unique niche, emphasizing our distinct qualities. Now it's over to you. This is the platform for exchanging ideas and seeking clarification. Let's interact and address any questions you might have. And I want to say thank you for participation and engagement. See you all tomorrow.